CAIG products are trusted by professionals in aviation, automotive, and electronics around the world. But did you know they can make your everyday life easier too? From your living room to your laptop, your TV to your tools, CAIG's specialized cleaners and protectants are perfect for keeping your home in top shape. Let's start with your phone. Ever notice your charger gets unreliable? A quick clean with DeoxIT's phone and device cleaner can restore performance and reduce wear. The same goes for your screens, laptops, tablets, even TVs. CAIG DeoxIT screen cleaner safely removes smudges and grime without streaking. One spray, a gentle wipe, and your display looks brand new. Are your charging cables acting up? Maybe your HDMI connection's getting glitchy. DeoxIT wipes help clean and protect your connections from oxidation. And don't forget the audio, of course. DeoxIT Gold improves conductivity and protects headphone jacks for clearer sound. Here's one you probably didn't expect. Light bulbs. Some don't burn out but actually lose contact. And when they do burn out, they're so stuck in place that you can't easily screw them off. A quick touch of DeoxIT when you put in a new bulb and you'll prevent flickers and keep it easy to replace when it's time. It comes in especially handy for outdoor fixtures. Use DeoxIT battery cleaner and protectant on household batteries, flashlights, and remotes, and especially on devices you store for long periods. Still love retro games but are old enough to know blowing into the cartridge isn't enough? DeoxIT swabs clean cartridge contacts gently without damage. Now you can keep enjoying those 8-bit memories. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing, CAIG helps your stuff work better, longer. These are just some of the everyday DeoxIT solutions made for the gear you use daily. CAIG products are available online and at authorized resellers. Check out CAIG.com to find the solution you need and get more out of the gear you already have. Clean it. Restore it. DeoxIT.